Hi everybody, Trent Tucker speaking to you live from the middle of Thompson Rivers University. There's pretty much nobody else around except for a security guard. You might be able to see him over my shoulder. Anyways, the reason for this video is I'm about to go back into my home studio and record some lectures for next week. Many years ago when I was at Laurier, one of the best educational development workshops I ever did was a session on voice training. And it was put on by an opera singer. And I can't recall her name right now, and I can't recall if she's with Laurier's Faculty of Music or if she was at Stratford as a voice coach. But she was awesome, and it was a great workshop. Probably one of the better educational development workshops I've ever done because it was so useful to me. That fall at Laurier, I was teaching my entire 6-course teaching load in one term so I could work on my PhD thesis in the winter and spring. So I had 3 hour-and-a-half classes back to back to back. It's 4.5 hours of teaching, 4 days a week. So that's a lot of strain on your voice. And these exercises really helped me out. So here we go. Me, 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 me. La, 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 la. Ba, 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 ba. Ma, 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 ma. Ooh, ooh, ooh. E, ah, o. So you have some vowel sounds. You have some consonants, hard consonants, k, s. You have M's and W's, wa, ma. You get your whole face moving. And I would do these things in my car on my drive to Guelph because it was a 40-minute trip. And before I would teach my 2-hour class in the evenings, I'd be driving in my car with the radio turned off, going ma 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 ma, wah 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 wah, ba 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 ba, la 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 la, e o ooh ah. And I always wondered if people were seeing me on the side of the Highway 7 going, what is that guy doing talking to himself? But you have to do it standing up, get your lungs going. And again, I'm not a voice coach, but these are the things I do to warm up my voice so that when I'm talking in the mic, I don't get that fuzzy mouth feeling and I can keep talking for a long time. So again, ma 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 ma, me 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 me, ba 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 ba, la 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 la, e. That's vowel movement time. E, o, la 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 la. So I hope you found this video helpful. Maybe you'll do these warm-ups before you take the mic in your home office, before your next class recording. And that's it. That's all. That's me from Thompson Rivers University.